Have you ever been packing for a move and realized you're not just packing boxes, you're unpacking memories? I'm in the middle of preparing for a move myself. My shelves are already empty because I'm moving 1 week from the time of this posting, but I'm coming across old papers, old photos, all types of things that are just reminders on how rich the layers of our lives are. And I thought I'd take a quick moment to tell you about a project I've recently started that definitely resonates with this coming across so many memories. I call it my Life Index Journal, and I've gotten some questions about it, so let me tell you briefly what it is, and then after the move, I'll do more. As genealogists and family historians, we definitely know, right, how little can be left behind from someone's life. Dates without stories, records without context. And knowing that I'll be an ancestor one day, I want to be a good one. I want to be one that leaves behind the stories and the information to get a better picture of who I am. And I want to do a better job of documenting the lives and stories of the ancestors and the family members I'm researching. So I created this Life Index. Now, I refer to the Life Index as a project, but it's not really a project. It's a journal. I have multiple journals that I'm working in right now. And so my Life Index is represented by these two right here, 1 and 2. Essentially, what these journals represent are an on this day record of events, vital milestones like births, marriages, and deaths, experiences, trips, all kinds of things that have happened in my family, in my ancestors' family lives, in the lives of some of my extended family, but it's a way for me to document things on paper by date. And I decided to do this as an aid to help me when I'm researching and organizing all my information online, when I'm working in my family history archive, when I'm indexing my family stories. This is an incredible aid, and I've already seen the impact and benefit of it already. So there are two journals, 1 and 2. Each one covers about 6 months of the year. And the way I've organized it is that there is a space for me to document things on every day of the year. So I have 365 documentation days. Now, it's definitely going to take me a lot of time to fill it out. In fact, I may never be done. But essentially what happens is I'll be able to open any day and see a history of things that have occurred that day. So this is my entry for January 23rd so far. And here I've noted a day that I went to go film something for work at a studio. That was kind of cool. And I have a whole story around that. And the date of the passing of a cousin of mine. And I have a story about her passing as well. So these journals support my family history work and my memory keeping endeavor. It helps give context as I'm doing that work. I am definitely loving them so far and look forward to continuing to work in them. So that's my Life Index. Let me know what you think about it or if it's something you might try.